Stir-fried noodles. A side dish from Hong Kong. Serve 6. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Heat oil in wok. Fry noodles in both sides till crisp and brown. Put on serving plate. Step 2. Stir-fry bean sprouts, Chinese mushrooms and shredded pork in remaining oil for 2 minutes. Add light and dark soy sauce, pepper, sesame oil and MSG and stir-fry for 2 more minutes. Step 3. Thicken with cornstarch mixed with chicken broth and add to the other ingredients. Bring to a boil. Pour sauce over fried noodles. Step 4. Ready to serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.